Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have two active numbers. Start now by inserting the SIM or activating the eSIM and connecting to Wi-Fi. Open the App Store and install WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business so each number can use its own app. Once installed, open the app for the number you want to add first. Make sure you back up any chats on the existing account. This prevents data loss when you verify the second number. Proceed to verify the first number in-app immediately. Now verify each number one at a time. Open WhatsApp, enter the phone number with the country code, and accept the SMS or call verification. Once verified, allow contacts and photos access so your chats and media sync correctly. Restore a backup if prompted. If not, continue and set your profile name and photo so contacts recognize you. Repeat the same flow in WhatsApp Business for the second number. Once both accounts are live, make sure notifications and permissions are configured for each app. Finish by tailoring settings. Set distinct notification tones and profile details so you can tell numbers apart quickly, and link devices under linked devices if you need WhatsApp Web. Use WhatsApp for one number and WhatsApp Business for the other to run two accounts on the same iPhone concurrently. If verification fails, request SMS again or choose the call option. Make sure the SIM/eSIM is active and receiving messages. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.